Some of you have emails that are gorgeous and organized and clean, and some of you have a hot mess. So I'm going to give you a couple quick shots of how to clean up your email. So the first thing I want to show you is how to clean one email at a time. So if you just need to clean your emails, you can open that email, decide if you want it. If you want it, you can keep it. If you don't, you can hit delete. If you know that you don't want that email, you can click this box and you can hit the trash can, which is also the delete button. That's cleaning up one email at a time. If you want to clean up several emails at once, you're aware that you don't need a bunch of different emails. I can come down here and I can click this email and this email and this email, check all three of them, and hit the delete key to get rid of those. If I have a whole bunch of emails that I need to get rid of at one time, I can click this box and I can delete all of these emails at the same time. That will delete them all. Now, if I decide that I want to keep this one and this one, I can uncheck those boxes and delete the rest. If you have 1,000 emails or more, Mrs. Madsen, I'm talking to you here, but it might apply to other people. When you click and select all of your emails, it says all 50 conversations on this page are selected. I can select every single email in my inbox and delete them all. The problem is, what if I want to keep this one? I lose that option. So if you want to get really super fancy and create an option for folders, I'll show that in another video. But if you just need to purge everything, you can click that box, select all the conversations, all of them in this folder and over here in this folder, and I can delete them all. Good luck, make good choices.